In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam an error occurred while launching this game, no licenses. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So the first method that you can use to resolve this problem is to log out and log back in. So you need to open Steam, and then once you're on Steam, go ahead and click on the top left corner of your screen, and then from here go ahead and select log out or sign out, and this will sign you out from Steam. So after you do this will pop up on your screen to confirm that you want to sign up from your account, and then after that you need to go ahead and log back in. So you need to enter your credentials and try launching the game again. Now if this doesn't work, another thing you can do is to restart Steam. So you need to close Steam completely and then restart your PC and then launch the Steam app again. So open Steam and try running the game. Now if that doesn't work as well, the last option that you have is to check Steam server status. So you need to visit Steam status. You need to search for Steam down, and then you'll be able to find this on the results. So in here, you'll be able to check if the servers are down. So if the servers are experiencing issues, wait a while before trying again. And that's basically how to fix an error occurred while launching this game, no licenses. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.